Hey everyone, it's Mr. Reyes, and very quickly I'm going to show you how to access your weekly reading tracker and your Do Now tracker, which we will be using both trackers every day each week. So for both, you're going to want to have your Google Classroom opened up, and it's just a good idea to have your Google Classroom opened up all the time. Always have it open as a tab so that you can easily access the forms we're asking you to open. So you're going to want to select your specific grade, 6th, 7th, or 8th grade. Let's do 6th grade for the example. You're going to go into the 6th grade or 7th or 8th grade ELAR page and click on Classwork. Once you open up Classwork, there's going to be a tab which says Weekly ELAR Progress. This is your main tab for each day because this tab, Weekly ELAR Progress, holds your reading tracker and your Do Now tracker. So to access your weekly reading tracker, you're going to open up the tab, and then there is a document that is specifically assigned to each scholar. So you're going to open up your reading reflection graphic organizer tracker. And remember, this is an organizer that we encourage you to use so that you can keep track of all of the reading that you're doing throughout the week, and so that you can practice reflecting on your reading throughout the week with the questions provided. So for example, if tonight's Tuesday night, which I believe it is, the question says, what's going on in your reading right now? What are your thoughts on what's happening? So remember, when we write, we use complete sentences. And so I'm going to say something like, right now, in my book, Aristotle and Dante discover the secrets of the universe. Y'all, look at me spelling things wrong. I am tripping here. Hold up. Let me correct these. So in my book, and then list the title of your book. Right now, Ari, which is the main character, just broke his legs in a crazy accident. I'm loving this book so far because I can relate to the main character. Okay, so notice how I listed the name of my book that I'm reading in a complete sentence, and then I'm also describing what's going on in my book right now, just like the reflection question asks. So then you'll do the same thing for Wednesday night, Thursday, and so on. All right, be sure that you're also tracking the number of pages that you read or the amount of time that you've read. So for example, today I read for 30 minutes. Bada boom, bada bing, I am done for the night with my reading reflection graphic organizer tracker. Now, starting this week, we have introduced a new part of our class, which is our Do Now, which will happen at the beginning of each class. In order to access your Do Now, you will open up the same tab, your weekly ELAR progress, and you will open up the Do Now document. You need this document pulled up every single time you enter our classroom from now on. So go ahead and have your Zoom pulled up, your Google Classroom, and then your Do Now tracker. And we will give you instructions on what to do for each day, so don't worry about filling that out on your own. Just be sure that you have it open when you come to class. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck with your reading and writing this week.